guys, this is Rogue27 and I am doing another review. It's called the Gerber Gator Saw Handsaw. It has 3 buttons right here, here, and here. And very sturdy buckles. Woven very good. Very good. Opens up to this. It has 2 saws you can put on. One, let's take this out. This one that's very rigid and very, how should I put this, spiky for the big logs. And this is a little bit more smaller for like branches. And it comes in this little kit where you have to put it together. Very good Velcro. Very grippy. It's got this like little giraffe or like gator skin kind of texture. And we got this little steel rod. And this. So this is how we put it together, if I can remember right. So we take this and put it right in here. We take this and put it right in there. And I am going to put in the small saw. We turn this thing over. And you see this little dot? We're supposed to stick it right in there where the hole is. Let me fix it. And then there's another one on the other side. Right here. So let me get this situated. There we go. And then we're supposed to take this and tighten it. We're supposed to spin it till it gets tight. Boom, tight. Now it is tight. You're set and ready to go. It won't come off on you. It comes oily, so you're probably going to have to wipe it down. So now that we have reviewed the saw, oh, by the way, everything's steel. It's not aluminum, it's steel. Now that we reviewed the saw, let's review the sheath. Like I said, 3 buttons, Gerber, and right here, let me tip the camera. Okay, so we have this little sleeve right up here, so you can put it sideways, and we have this, so you can have your thing sideways. And we have this, so we can do that. We have a smaller one down here. We have a bigger one right here. So you could slip it in your belt if you already have your belt on, so you won't have to take off your belt. This is the Gerber Gator Saw. Rogue out.